Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This video is all about kitchen designs. Kitchens have changed quite a lot over the past few decades, with many homeowners as well as buyers now preferring spacious, welcoming styles that make you want to sit down and eat. Spaces are grand and inviting and perfect for serving up the family as well as providing areas for entertaining while guests come over to dine as well. Lighter styles are the main attention stealers, since they make most designs look more open and brighter for dining. White grand cabinetry as well as gray styles will remain the most sought after selections for the season ahead. We love kitchens that feature huge islands, providing great seating for guests to enjoy a meal while one cooks. Are you amazed by these kitchen designs? Leave us your thoughts in the comments below, and until next time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification.